Hi, my name is Remo and I will be showing you how to make KFC chicken. So right now I have Thai chicken, but you can also have breast chicken, either one is fine. And here we have all the ingredients ready to be put into the chicken and ready to be marinated. Okay, so we have the milk here. Pour all of it in. Cornstarch. Eggs. White pepper. Salt. Garlic paste. Tomato sauce. Lemon juice. We have sugar. And we have Ajinomoto. And mix it well. Okay, so I will wrap this chicken and put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. So I have flour here and ingredients to put in the flour. So we have chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder. Wait, what is this? Ginger powder. Oh. Ginger powder and then garlic powder. Onion powder, white pepper, and salt. And mix well. And to make sure all the ingredients are mixed with the flour, I'm gonna sip it. I can't do this. It's going everywhere. This is still gonna take a long time. After 20 minutes, I will now take out the marinated chicken. Make sure you shake off the excess mixture. Put it into a bowl. Now we take the chicken and put it into the flour we made earlier and make sure you get it all in the chicken. And we take the chicken, shake the excess off and put it back into the mixture. And then take the chicken again and put it back into the flour. And you'll do that for every piece. Make sure you have a clean bowl for this chicken. Do that for every piece of chicken. Okay, so now I will take this and fry it. Okay, now I'll check if the oil is hot enough by putting a small piece of chicken and see if it will sizzle. As you can see, it's not sizzling, so it's not hot enough. So now after a while, the small piece of chicken is sizzling, so the oil is hot enough to fry the rest of the chicken. So take the small pieces first and put it in. So you'll take a spatula and check if the chicken is ready by lifting it up. You need to wait until it's golden brown to take it out. So we'll leave it in for a little bit longer. Now my chicken is ready and I will decorate. Now I will try the chicken I made. Yeah, that's really good. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. I really recommend you try my chicken. And yeah, subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. So now I will heat the oil. I will heat this oil and fry my chicken. So now I will